Hello students, how are you? I think you are fine and doing your job properly. Now your exam is near, so preparing for that. So today again we will discuss class 10th maths question related to case study. Chapter 9, some application of trigonometry. So how can we use trigonometry in our daily life? So related to this, some case study given that are important for us because they are connecting us from the daily life to the questions. So here given this first question, we know that during vacation period, many people love to go out of the city and gain some experience about historical and scientific values. Going for trip, going for tour, in holidays. So keeping in view Mr. Ramlal, one person whose name is Mr. Ramlal, decide to go somewhere out of the country and chosen the country USA. USA means United States of America. In the series of sightseeing, he has first chosen place Sky Tower of Mexico City. There is a one city, Mexico, in USA. So that person chosen a particular place in Mexico. That one is Sky Tower. Then he decided to stand on a building and wanted to see the Sky Tower. So Mr. Ramlal stand on a building and want to see Sky Tower. Mr. Ramlal, whose height is 2.3 meter. Height of the Ramlal is how much? 2.3 meters. Stood on the top of the building and start to look at the top of the Sky Tower. So like this, standing here, in this way, in this area, standing. And looking at the top, this is the Sky Tower. This like this is given. So its Sky Tower is like this. Mr. Ramlal stand here and looking here at the top of the building. Top of the Sky Tower. The horizontal distance between the Sky Tower and the building is 120 meters. This distance is how much? This distance is 120 meters. Understood? It's meaning the distance between the Ramlal and the Sky Tower is how much? 120 meters. Between the Sky Tower and the building. As shown in figure 11.23, in your book given NCERT figure 11.23, the angle of elevation of the top and the angle of depression of the bottom of the Sky Tower is 60 and 30 degrees. This angle is 60 degrees when looking at its top. So this is horizontal line looking upside, so definitely what's angle of elevation, and looking here from here to downside, so this is the angle of depression. And this was how much degree? 30 degree. How much? 30 degrees. So this is like this, we can see. So making like this. So this angle 30, it's meaning this also 30, because both are parallel to each other. Understood? Looking into the above circumstances to give the answer of the following question. Some question given, you have to give the answer of that question. First question is this: what is the height of the building excluding the height of Mr. Ramlal standing on it? Sure. In your mind, this 120, so this also 120 meters. Understood? This is perpendicular triangle. We can see A, B, this is your C, D, like this. And here also become right angle triangle like this. D, E you can write here. So figure become, here given what is the height of the building. So in triangle, what's triangle? In triangle, which triangle? ABC, ABC, AB by BC, perpendicular by base, tangent 30, tangent 30. So what's your AB? AB equal to BC, BC how much? 120 into 1. What is this? 1 by root 3. Yes or no? So what's it's become? It's become 120 by under root 3. Yes or no? So this what's become? So we can find out AB equal to this. But we have to find out what? This is the point. We can say this. This is point F we can take. We have to find out BF, which one is the height of the building. So BF is equal to what? AB minus AF. What's the height of this? Ramlal, 2.3 meter. 2.3 meters. So what's it's become? So it's become like this, 120 by under root 3 minus 2.3 by 1. Yes or no? So what's it's coming? What's coming? You can show it like this also, 120 by under root 3. So this we can write 40 into under root 3 into under root 3, and this is under root 3. So this cancel this. So how much this? So this become 40 under root 3 minus 2.3. 40 under root 3, how much? 40. What's the under root 3? 1.72 we can take. So 1.72, its multiplication with 40. Or we can take what? 40. So it's 40 multiplication is what? 0, 0, 0, 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8. 4 7 the 28, 2, 4 to 6. Yes, so this is coming 6880. Decimal after 2 digit. So here coming 68.80 minus 2.3. So what's coming? 68. And what's your minus? 2.30. So 0566. So 66 point something. So here answer given 66.98. So what's your answer? B is your answer. Got it? Next. Next is this. Find the height of the building including height of Mr. Ramlal. So you have to find out what you have to find out. Height of the building including what? Ramlal. So look here. So what's AB? AB is what? This. And this electron we convert this 140 into under root 3 into under root 3 by under root 3. So this cancel this. So how much we left? 40 under root 3. So what's the height of the building including Ramlal? So how much? 40 under root 3. Understood? What is the length of the line of the sight from Ramlal to the base of the sky tower? So it's meaning this we have to find out. So it's like this. This is a building and Ramlal is standing here and this is a tower. What is this? Tower. And looking here. What is the length of the line of sight Mr. Ramlal to the base of the sky tower? This angle is 30 degree. Understood? This we have to find out how much this 40 under root 3. This is 120 meter. So we have to find out ABC. What we have to find out? AC we have to find out. What we have to find out? AC. So AB by AC perpendicular by hypotenuse sine 30. What's sine 30? So what's your AC? AC by AB is equal to what? 1 by sine 30. Understood? So AC equal to AB. AC equal to AB into, this is 1 by root 2. So it's coming root 2. What's coming? Root 2. What's your AB? AB is equal to 40. What is the length of the sight of Mr. Ramlal to the base of the sky? Base of the sky. This is the base of the sky. This is 120 meter. 120 meter. So you can find out by using another method also, like this base by hypotenuse is equal to cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree. So base is what? BC. BC by AC is how much? Cos 30 and root 3 by 2. And root 3 by 2. What's your AC? AC by BC. BC how much? 120 is equal to under root 3 by 2. Under root 3 by 2. So what's BC how much? 120. So AC, according to this, AC equal to 120 under root 3 in this form given. So what is this? This is your answer. You can find out by using this method also. This method also. This method what saying? This is actually how much? 40 under root 3. So 40 under root 3 is this AB into under root 2. Under root 2 why? 1 by under root 2 is the value of this. So what's your answer? D is your answer. Next. Find the distance from the eye of Mr. Ramlal to top of the sky. It's meaning this we have to find out. This. From this. And this. So this is 120. This angle is how much? 60 degree. A, B and C. So this we find out, we are saying this is X. So we can say AB by BC perpendicular. What we have to find out? Sorry. This. We have to find out this. So what we can take? In triangle, which triangle? ABC. ABC, AB by AC. By AC. Or we can write AB naught, we can take BC by AC is equal to cos 60 degree. Base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. So what's your BC? BC, this is reciprocal. Take AC by BC. AC by BC is equal to 1 by cos 60 degree. So what's your AC? AC equal to BC into cos 60, 1 by 1 under root 2. So this is coming under root 2. What's coming? Under root 2. So what's your BC? AC equal to BC 120 into under root 2. So 120 under root 2. So what's coming? This is this by this. So this by this, cos 120, cos 60, cos 1 by this. So how can we find out? Just wait. So this wrong written beta. This I have value wrong taken. This wrong taken. Cos, this is BC by AC is equal to 1 by cos 60. I have taken 1 by under root 2. 1 by under root 2 is the value of cos 45 degree. So that one. So what's your, BC by AC? AC by BC is equal to 1 by cos 60 degree. So what's your AC? AC equal to BC 1 by 1 by 2. So 2 coming here. So what's your BC? 120 into 2. How much? 240 meter. Value wrong taken. Like this in previous question you can check. Here value of which one wrong I have taken? Sin 30. Sin 30 is what? How much? under root 3 by 2. So here under root 3 and upside what's given? Under root 2. So if here under root 2, here under root 3, cancel this. So what's coming? SC equal to, this equal to, just wait, sorry, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 taken. But I showed this by using this method. Understood? Not understood? Look here. This answer I told you, again telling by this, using this. So how can this is AB, this is 40 under root 3. AB by AC. AB by AC. AB by AC is equal to sine how much degree? 30 degree. But we have to find out AC. So AC by AB is equal to 1 by sine 30 degree. 1 by sine 30 degree. Yes or no? So what's your AC? AC equal to AB. What's your AB? AB is what? AB into 1 by sine 30. Sine 30 how much? Sine 30. What's the value of sine 30? So what's the value of sine 30? Under root 3 by 2. 2 is going here. 2 is here. So what's your AB? AB equal to 40 under root 3 into 2 by under root 3. So not coming, but what's from this coming? Your answer. So later on I can tell this, why not coming? But you can do by this. So similarly, that is find the height of the sky tower. You have to find out the height of the sky tower. So in triangle this AB, in triangle, which triangle? ABC. ABC. AB by BC is how much? Tangent 60 degree. Perpendicular by base. And what you have to find out? AB. So AB is equal to BC. BC how much? BC equal to 120 and 60 under root 3. Under root 3. But what we have to find out? We have to find out this complete height. What we have to find out? Complete height. So this is, we can say AG equal to AB plus BG plus BG. So what's your AB? AB equal to 120 under root 3. BG, this BG is equal to this. And that is how much? 40 under root 3. So this also 40 under root 3. So add it 40 under root 3. So under root 3 is common. So how much? 160. So how can you write 160 under root 3? So that's one this is your answer. Got? All of you. Next. One more question given. A helicopter lift up to 1000 feet. So helicopter, this is standing perpendicular. Place of helicopter is this. This is the place of helicopter. Or Iceland and sport is swimming that need to be recused. Using distant landmarks, the helicopter pilot determine the angle of depression. So this is, angle of depression is this, 60 degree. And this is the line of horizontal. So definitely angle of depression, so this also 60 degree. This is X given. And this is Iceland. What is this? Iceland. Understood? So using distance landmarks, the helicopter pilot determined the angle of depression. As the angle of depression increases, what will be the effect? What will be the, as angle of increase, this increase 60, then going upside, it's meaning this line is going like this. So it's what's its meaning? Its meaning is this. First is what's given. As the angle of depression increase, what will be the effect? The helicopter gets further from the islands. It's this distance increase. One is this. The helicopter to get closer to the islands. This distance decrease. The swimmer gets closer to the island. So in this way also the swimmer gets close to the island. So swimmer goes close to the island, and fourth one, the swimmer gets further from the islands. So if this in this way going and this going, if this distance increase, which one decrease? This one decrease. Which one increase? Distance. So like this, take one time. Like this. If this angle is how much? 30 degree. And if this angle increase like this, so what happened? This become 45. So which one increase? This one increase. This one increase. So what you can say about this? What one? If angle increase, which one increase? This one increase. This one meaning helicopter is starting here, then going upside. So which one increase? This is the island. Island is this. And if this increase, so the distance, so as the helicopter gets further from the islands. So which one is your answer? A. It's distance start increasing if angle start increasing. If angle start decreasing, the distance between the helicopter and the island decrease. Or in other words, what we can say? Height of the helicopter decrease if angle increases. Next, how does the swimmer's distance from island change as the angle of depression halved from 60 to 30 degree? Halved meaning becoming half. If this become half, so this, if this 60 degree, and then it's become 30 degree. So it's meaning angle decrease, in starting angle increase. So what you can say, what happened? What happened in this case? How does the swimmer distance decrease to less than a quarter of his starting distance? So this kept in your mind, distance definitely decreases. If angle decreases, so distance between the island and the helicopter decreases. And if distance, so saying how much the swimmer distance from island double. Swimmer distance from the island is double, 2 times this knots. It's meaning increasing. The swimmer distance from the island increases 3 times. The swimmer distance from the island is held, become half. Become half. So here this is not its answer. It may be possible this answer, or this answer. So we will try. So we are taking, if its angle of depression is how much? 60 degree. 60 degree. So what we can say? This is point taking A, this is taking B, and this is taking C. So we are taking AB by BC is equal to tangent 60 degree, sorry. How much? 60 degree. Or reciprocal of it meaning BC by AB is equal to how much? Tangent, cotangent, or 1 by tangent 60 degree. 1 by tangent 60 degree. This by this. Understood? So what's your BC here? BC, find out, we have to AB. AB we have to find out, sorry. What we have to find out? AB. So what's it's become? So AB equal to BC into tangent 60 under root 3. What's it? Under root 3. Yes or no? So AB what's becoming? AB is equal to BC under root 3. And if angle of 30 degree, 60 degree, 30 become AB by what's? BC is equal to what? Tangent 30 degree. What's it's become? Tangent 30 degree. What's it's become? So what's it's become? So what's it's become? Like this tangent, this taking. Just wait. Once I can tell, try to understand. Distance definitely decrease, but how much? So what we are taking? AB by BC is equal to tangent 60 degree starting angle. AB how much? 1000 by X is equal to tangent 3 and root 3. Yes or no? So what's your, which thing you have to find out? So this is, and what happened? What happened if this AB by, but AB by BC is equal to tangent 30 degree. So AB how much? 1000 by X is equal to 1 by root 3. Tangent 30 is equal to tangent 30, 1 by root 3. This is or not? So what you can say? Distance increase or decrease? So you can, if you can compare these two, so what's it's become? Right hand side of both are equal. So under root 3 is equal to 1 by under root 3. So this bring in that side. This bring in that side. So distance, what happened? The swimmer distance from the Iceland increases how much time? 3 times. How much time? 3 times. Yes. So distance how much increase? Got? So how much increase? See, the swimmer distance from the Iceland increases 3 times, that I told you. So how much increases? 3 times. Next, for which angle of depression both the helicopter and the swimmer will be at the same distance? So this easily you know. This easily know. If when angle how much degree? 45 degree. Why? It's meaning in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AB by BC, we need 1. AB by BC we need equal to 1. Because the angle of depression of both the helicopter and swimmer will be the same. So this is equal to 1. When possible? This is possible when tangent how much degree? 45 degree. Tangent 45 is equal to 1. So what's your answer? 45 degree. Next, let the swimmer start out. Swimmer start out 1019 feet from the Iceland. It's meaning this distance is given 1019 feet from the Iceland. If they swim half of the distance, what will be the angle of depression? And it's starting moving in this side and half distance covered. Then what's the angle of depression? So we can find out. So we are having this type of figure, this type of figure. This is 1000. This is 1019 meter. So we can find out how much degree angle. Understood? And if half distance cover, so you can take like this, theta is the angle. So it's meaning A is this, A, B, C. So AB by BC is equal to tangent theta. Tangent theta, sorry, 30 not theta. 1000 by 1019 is equal to tangent theta. And if this distance become by 2, so what's problem? So this is become 1019 1000 by 1019 by 2 coming here, by 2 coming here. So what happened if this distance is changed? What happened? This distance changed. This. So this is equal to what? Tangent theta. Tangent theta. So what happened? Just wait. What saying? Let the swimmer start out from this fit. Is distance from this what? How much this fit from the Iceland? If you swim half of the distance, what's the angle of depression? What's the angle of depression? So how can you calculate? So this is so how much? Look one time. So what's it's become? In triangle. Which triangle? ABC. Understood? In starting angle is theta, but saying half distance covered in this direction. How much distance covered? Half. Half distance covered. Total distance this. So half mean this. Half mean this. So how can you find out? Tangent theta. Theta we have to find out. So perpendicular by base. So which one perpendicular? AB. AB by base BC. So how much? 1000 given by 1019 by 2. 1019 by 2. So 1019 by 2 meaning, so it's meaning we can write tangent theta is equal to 2000 by 1019. 2 going upsides. Understood? I can solve this by theta, this transfer in that side, but I will try to convert this also in this form. If 2000 divided by 1019, so 1 ja 1019, how much? 1, 9 minus 1, 8, 10, 9. Decimal here 0. Here 0. So how much? You can take 7 ja, 8 ja, 1019, 8. This. Understood? Or this is coming 9 ja, 1019 9 ja. This going. So here coming 0.9. What's coming? 0.9. So I'm taking like this just. So answer is not given in like this way. So here you understood this. This is, what is this? Tangent theta. And what is this? Tangent theta. Tangent theta's value is this. So it's meaning tangent theta is equal to 1.9 nearly. What's nearly? So where this possible? Tangent 60. Tangent 60 is equal to 1 root 3 and its value 1.7 something. Both value are near to each other. So what we can say? This we can write tangent theta equal to tangent how much? 60. This cancel this. So theta equal to 60 degree. Nearly given. So what's given? Nearly. So that's why this came. Exact not coming this. Otherwise, in some books apply this also. Tangent theta is equal to 2000 by 1019 and theta equal to tangent inverse 2000 by 1019. Then also finding out in the decimal form. So directly you can find out. Got? So these are near about 100% not. Last, how would the angle of depression be affected if the helicopter left its initial position and moved vertically upward? Vertically upward. If what happened? This is the initial position. What's position? Initial starting position is this. And it start going upward. What's it? Going upward. So what happened? So angles, this angle what happened? Increase or decrease? So angle of depression start increasing. So what's your answer this? If this vertical height increase, it's meaning angle also increase. If this decrease, angle also decrease. I think understood. Next one more. The following TV tower was built in 1988 and is located in Pitampura, Delhi. It has an observation deck. Observe the picture given below. So this picture is given. So what's given? This point is C given here, that's looking in it. This point is B given in it. Yes or no, like this given, I'm checking this. And one point, this point is A given. So this is a tower. Points given this. Like this is tower. A TV tower stand vertically on the ground from a point A on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60. This angle is 60 degree. This angle of elevation. This is 60 degree. There is a point C on the tower which is 78 meter above the ground. This point C. This is A taken, BC taken here, A is this taken. So D I can take. So it's saying DC is equal to 78 meter. The angle of elevation of the point C is to found with 30 degree. And if we are joining this point, then this angle is become 30 degree. So this is given dry question part 1 given dry well labeled diagram based on the information given above. So we can draw like this. This is a tower. Understood? This is the point A and this is the top of this whose point is B. This angle is 60 degree. How much degree? 60 degree. And there is a point C, that one is 78 meter above the ground, then angle of elevation how much degree? 30 degree. So we can say A is this point, B this taken. So here what we can say? DC equal to 78 meter. And that I in previous question told, if vertical distance decrease, angle also decrease. Angle making 30 degree with the C. Angle of elevation meaning looking upside. Draw a well labeled figure based on the information given. So this type of figure you can draw. Here BD is a tower. BD is a tower. Yes or no? Find the height of the tower and the distance of the tower from point A. We have to find out height of the tower. So first, which triangle we can take? We can take this triangle. Which one? In triangle ACD. ACD. What? CD by AD. CD by AD. Yes or no? Is equal to what? CD is perpendicular by base is equal to tangent 30 degree. Tangent 30 degree. And what's your AD by CD is equal to 1 by tangent 30 degree. What's your AD? CD is given. AD we have to find out. AD equal to CD. CD is 78 into under root 3. Why? Because tangent 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. AD is how much? 78 and root 3. So find the height of the tower and the distance between the tower from point A. So the distance of the tower from the point A is how much? 78.3 meter. Then what we have to find out? Height of the tower. So we are saying this is equal to x. This is equal to x in triangle. In which triangle? ADB. ADB. AD. AD by, or we can solve by this only by applying tangent. So what's BD? DB by AD is equal to how much? Tangent 60 degree. Tangent 60 degree. And AD by DB is equal to 1 by tangent 60 degree. Tangent 60, AD how much? What we have to find out? DB we have to find out, so directly need not be write this. So what you can write? DB equal to AD into root 3. So what's your AD? AD is equal to 78 and root 3 into root 3. So its meaning is what? Here I am writing 78 into 3. This to near about not 234 meter. So what's the height of the tower? 234 meter. So these are the question which given. I told you. So by this you can solve. But this I don't understand why written this. One question here. What's problem? Again I want to tell. Which one given by cos that's coming, but sine not coming. So look, once again I am trying this. So this. So if I am finding with this, no problem. What's no problem? B base by perpendicular. Base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. So how much base? BC. What's hypotenuse? AC. So AC reciprocal of it. AC by what's written? This is this. And what I have written? AC by 120 is equal to this. Cos 30. Value of cos 30 is how much? Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. What's cos sine 30? 1 by 2. 45, 1 by root 2. This also 1 by root 2. So this is become what's 1 by 2. This is become root 3 by 2. So base by hypotenuse. BC by AC. So reciprocal written. So 120. Look. Again I am solving. So somewhere problem in where? This is given in triangle. Triangle, which triangle? ABC. Understood? We have to find out AC. So I am writing this AB by AC. AB by AC is equal to how much degree? Find the height of the building including of Mr. Ramlal, this one. What is the length of this? This we have to find. What is the length of the site of the Ramlal to the base of the sky? This we have to find out. This one. And this. So AB by AC is equal to how much? Sine 30. Sine 30. Sine 30 is equal to what? Value of sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. How much? 1 by 2. or not? So what we have to find out? AC. AC equal to what's coming? AB. What's coming? AB. So what is this? Just wait. Yes. Look one time. AC by AB, how much? 1 by sine 30 degree. We are talking about this question. So AC how much? AC we have to find out. So AC equal to AB into sine 30, 1 by 2, 2 coming upside. And what's your AB? 40 and root 3 into 2. How much coming? 80 and root 3 coming. What's coming? 80 and root 3. This one not, sir. Next one. This question, this third part. This one. So this is came. Now by another method you can take BC by AC is equal to cos 30 degree, and AC by BC is equal to 1 by cos 30 degree. So how much AC? AC equal to BC. BC how much? 120. And what is this? 1 by under root 3 into 2. Into 2. So what's it's coming? Under root 3 by 2. So this is coming 240 by under root 3. And this how can we write? 80 into under root 3 into under root 3 by under root 3. So cancel out. So how much? 80 under root 3. So that one I told you, that one is wrong. So this is your answer of this. Got it? So I think you understood. We will solve remaining question also related to this. So some time become hesitate due to some value I don't know. So that method I told you how can find out, how can make tables. Many time tell you. So this is we have written sine theta. So 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. So what we can write? By 2, by 2, by 2, by 2, and by 2. And here is the under root. So start like this. So how many finger till here? 0. 0 by something? 0. So here 0 coming, which is equal to 0. Here till here how many fingers? 1. So 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Till here how many finger? Under root 2 by 2. If you cancel under root 2 by 2, this is equal to 1 by root 2. And here under root 3 by 2 as it is. And 90 under root 4 by 2. Under root 4 by 4 you can solve 1. So in this way you can find out. So here's some mistake due to that. So I told you again. So I think you understand. Thank you all of you. Best of luck.